When buying a home, it's a smart decision to obtain a home inspection to know the condition of a home and its systems. Whether it's a brand new home or a resale property, getting a professional home inspection performed prior to the purchase is important for two good reasons: to save you time and save you money. Our experts can and will provide the inspection services following the highest standards to help you make an informed buying decision. Here are two reasons why a smart home buyer should get a home inspection. First is hire a professional with a trained eye. A home may look great on the outside, but there is more to it than meets the eye. Some home issues just aren't visible. No matter the age or condition of the home, a professional with a trained eye for detecting property issues is exactly who you need to get the job done for you. Secondly, you save more on the inspection than what you could spend on repairs. Depending on the size, age, and condition of the home inspection fees will vary. You might be happy and ready to buy the home and actually consider waiving the home inspection, but a home inspection is the one thing that will give you insight into property issues that you can't see. Waiving the home inspection could lead to costly repairs later on, so don't forgo the home inspection. It's a smart idea to leave the home inspection contingency in place. A smart home buyer will make sure to have their prospective home properly inspected before agreeing to buy. So be sure you're making the best decision for your new home and schedule your home inspection with us today.